Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. In this video, I'm going to make a video about renewal Pakistani passport. So this is good news that nowadays you can apply online. You can no need to go to the embassy, and this service is free of charge as well. But you have to pay some fee for renewal your passport. So let's start. So this is going with a real application for my wife, so I might hide some details, but I will try my best to explain you step by step. So apply for renewal. Just write in Google Pakistani passport. Make sure you're on the right website. I will try to put the link of the website in my description. Yeah, it should look like this, and where it say apply online, just you click over here and just continue. So it will open in the new browser. Yeah, so you have to, if you want to read this one, so you can, it's up to you. So I'm gonna say get start. So first you need to register. If you have not registered, then do it. I already registered, so I'm gonna log in into my account. So to do the registration is a little bit maybe kind of difficult, because you have to download the authentication app in your phone. Then they will send you the code over there. Then you have to log in. So I'm gonna log in now, like this. So when you try to log in, so you should have this Google authenticator in your mobile. They will send you the code over there. So you put the code. So when you log in, it should look like this. Terms and condition, just accept it. Yeah, so here is the thing we need to do it. So we need to do the new application. Click over here, scroll down. Are you applying from Pakistan? Click say no. Renewal of the passport for Pakistani residing abroad. Yeah, so this is the condition which I'm going to fulfill. Do you currently possess your expired for our 1 year validity passport? Yes, because it's expiring within 6 months. Is the information required to be modified? Not from me. Are you applying for minors? Means for the child? No. Are you applied asylum? No. Have you been issued resident card with asylum status? No. Please enter 13 digit of your identity number. You should have your ID card, Pakistani ID card. So after giving the information, you need to put the details which they are asking. So application processing priority. If you want to do urgent or normal, I think they're going to charge extra if you want to do the urgent. And if, yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit extra fees. Normal, yeah. So they're asking for pages, and I want to for 10 years. So you have to put your photo over here, country of residence, passport office. So here, United Kingdom. Yeah, passport office is London. So now I need to upload the photo over here. Yeah, the photo section is difficult sometimes because it must be less than 20 KB. So your photo meets the specification we got from the shop, but you can get from the mobile, but you need to be on the specific like a length, size, and the resolution as well. But I got it finally. So let's move to the next section. So I'm going to save this one. So the qualification. So when you put your details, the next they're asking for your address, passport delivery address. Um, so you have to give your address which way you want to deliver your passport. The next they're asking for the application supporting documents, supporting document type, copy of the CNC, copy of the previous passport. So we can provide the copy of the previous passport. Please verify your fingerprints via park.id app. So we're gonna do this one as well. Please provide, you have to read it and provide this thing as well. So you need to upload the document which they're asking, page number 30 of the passport. So you have to download this app on park.id mobile app. So you're gonna provide the fingerprints. They're asking for the documents. Uh, Whatever they're asking the document, we have to upload over here. So which I upload over here. I provide page 30 CNIC copy of the previous passport. Just press save. Okay, so I did the verification from the app. So just download that park id application in your mobile and just follow the step. It's not that much hard. Then you have to put the tracking id at some point, then it will verify. Fingerprints, let me give you the hint. We will try to put the fingerprints left right hand, it doesn't work. Then we try the left thumb, then it will work. I don't know if you want to try as well if it doesn't work. So now we're gonna make the payment. This works. Proceed to the payment now. And accept this one and accept. So asking for the billing info. Hope so this will work. So it's done. So I make the payment of 24,740 is Pakistani rupees because I applied for the agent and for 10 years as well. I'm not sure about other fees. So let's see when this will arrive. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.